Hi friends, again we'll be talking about articles. We saw in the short clip what is a, an and the. So in that we have seen that a and an are indefinite articles and the is a definite article as it is used for a specific, any specific person, place, animal, thing, okay, or living and non-living thing, okay, and a and an are used otherwise. Now we'll see when a and an, these indefinite articles, when they are used, okay. Now most of them must be knowing that an is used before a vowel. Now what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. So before any word which starts with these letters, okay, A, E, I, O, U, okay, before this you have to use an, an, okay. The others are called as consonants. All the remaining alphabets are called as consonants. So there is a difference between whether you have to use a or the. Now again, even in vowels, in case of vowels also, sometimes, see, when you are talking about definite article the, see, when can it be used? We'll see when the is used, definite article, okay. As I told you, when indefinite article is used, similarly definite article is used before a specific thing, okay, non-living or living thing, also before any plural, okay. Now we always say an apple was kept on the table, but do we say an apples? We cannot say. When you're using plural, okay, more than one, that time you cannot use vowel, though it is starting with a, that is the vowel sound a, okay. Whether you have to use a or an depends upon the sound and not the alphabet, the sound of the vowel, okay. So a says a, so before that you have to use, if it is singular you have to use an, okay, and if it is more than one you use the, like an apple and the apples were kept on the table, okay. The apples were kept on the table, an apple was kept on the table. Have you understood? An umbrella was kept on the table, the umbrellas were kept on the table. So when you're using plural you cannot use and, though the beginning of the word is with a vowel. So have you all understood? Okay, let's move forward quickly. Now as I told you that a and an are used in such a way that the sound is more important. Till now you all must have most of them must be knowing that you have to use an before a, e, I, o, u, but sometimes the sound of the vowel is different. For example, it doesn't sound like a vowel. For example, if you say uninor, okay, unicorn, okay. Now unicorn, before it starts with u, the spelling is starting with u, but the pronunciation is of y, okay. That's why you say an unicorn. Understood? So you use an before the what is important is the sound. It should sound like a vowel. That is more important. You use an when it sounds like a vowel too, okay. It's not enough that only it is the spelling is starting with a, e, I, o, u. No, okay. For example, we also know that HOUR, our, or R, some of them pronounce it as R also, or our, okay. I came back in an hour. Now why do we say hour, though it's starting with H? H is a consonant, okay, but we do not use a, we use an. Why? Because the pronunciation of H is not there. Her, okay, the consonant pronunciation is not there. The pronunciation is like a vowel, that is we start with a, H, O, okay. We take the pronunciation from O onwards. Our, a, our, okay. So I'll be back in an hour. Okay, he is an honest man. Again, O. Okay, we start the pronunciation with O. H is not pronounced. Okay, the pronunciation her, that is the consonant pronunciation, is not there. And you are understanding, because that is the most important thing in articles, which is not generally we don't take it so I mean, it's not done in details, but you remember this is a very vital point that it all depends upon the sound, whether it's sounding like a vowel or no. So honest, again, as I told you. Now if I say horse, now horse is starting with H, okay, but the pronunciation is also her, which is a consonant pronunciation. Understood? So her is a consonant sound. Okay, that's why we are using a horse. Have you understood? Now again, singular plural here also. Okay, I'll say a horse and the horses. A horse was grazing, the horses were grazing. Understood? So again, the. Now we'll come a little to the definite article. More specifically, most of the things which are very very specific, like the seven wonders of the world, which are very unique, all the unique things which are one and only one. Okay, before that you use the, that is the definite article. Okay, like for example, the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Eiffel Tower. Okay, the Gateway of India. So anything that is definite. Okay, also if you're talking, sometimes you come across sentences where before a vowel also you use the, even if it is singular. Now I'll show you how. Don't get confused. Very simple. I'll put an example and I'll let you know. You will come to know immediately. See, now I'm talking to somebody and I say a red umbrella is kept. Okay, a red umbrella is kept on the table. Okay, a red umbrella is kept on the table. Now a red umbrella is kept on the table. I'm talking to a person and I'm saying a red umbrella is kept on the table. Now I'm talking to the same person. The second sentence I say, go and get the umbrella. Now here, why I'm saying the, why I'm using the? First time I used okay, indefinite article. Next time I'm using the for the same umbrella. Okay, so now why this is? Because in the first case, in the first sentence, I have stated I'm talking about which umbrella. Okay, so for it can be done to, like, you can use this example for anything. A scale is kept on the table. Go and get the scale. Okay, so you all are knowing. Okay, we had gone to a children's park. Okay, we had gone to a children's park yesterday. The park was very beautiful. See, because you all are knowing, the context is given earlier. So already the context is given in the first sentence, and therefore when you are using it again, you use the park. Okay, the park was very beautiful. First, we were not knowing about what we are talking. In the second sentence, we came to know about what we are talking. So if you all have any more queries regarding articles, very briefly I have taken this session, but in case you all have any more, you can take more examples, just let me know. Okay, from your comments. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye.